This is going to be our movement for the day on New Zealand dollar JPY. So first thing first, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we'll be posting for you guys. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. And also, once you subscribe, click on the bell notification. Now, we have the main trend and we also have the current trend, what market is doing currently. So, since we would want to know what market will be doing on Friday, we are going to be making use of the current trend. But first, let's take a look at the main trend. You can see that previously, this is the main trend, which is an uptrend move. The main trend is an uptrend move, right? Now, when you have to zoom it in, you will see that this is the current trend, which is trending to the downside, a round trend move. So this is marked for the one of markets opening and closing bearish, by the way, opening and closing bearish, which it happened on Monday. This is day 2 of markets opening and closing bearish, which happened on Tuesday. Day 3 of markets opening and closing bearish, which happened on Wednesday. This is day 4 of markets opening on and closing bearish, which played out on Thursday. Now, for this Friday that we are predicting for, we will be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to open and close bearish. Now, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see that there is a series of lower low and a lower high. You can clearly see that market is trending to the downside, right? Now, this is the movement right here. If this is our low, if this is our lower low, this can also be seen as the lower high. This is the lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now, market has eventually dropped to form a new lower low. So we will be expecting market to give us a lower high. After the lower high finish playing out, right, we will expect market to drop one more time to give us a new lower low. So guys, first thing first, anticipate for a lower high. After the lower high, then expect market to drop one more time to form a new lower low. So a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting next on New Zealand dollar JPY. More updates will be covered for you guys, so make sure you follow the Telegram channel in order for you not to miss out on the updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the section.